from the heart. I serve as the driving force behind industry and society for the future of mankind. I always exist in places that further enrich the future of mankind. Doosan Infracore engines. Doosan Infracore engine started as a manufacturer of diesel marine engines in 1958 and have continued to grow over the past 60 years based on our accumulated R&D capacity and production technology. In 1975, we began the production of mid-sized engines with the completion of a casting and diesel engine plant. In 1983, we launched the production of large-sized engines and succeeded in developing diesel engines on our own for the first time in Korea. We then developed gas engines and started mass-producing gas engines as well. Our engines meet the increasingly enhanced emission standards of the 21st century, including Tier 4 Final, Euro 6, and Stage 5. And we have already secured the know-how and technology required to meet the Tier 5 and Euro 7 standards. In 2012, we completed a state-of-the-art compact engine plant, which now produces G2 engines, optimized for industrial vehicles and construction equipment. We now provide a whole range of engines, from compact to large-sized engines, to a variety of industrial sites at home and abroad. Doosan Infracore engine are staffed by 300 highly skilled and enthusiastic engineers, bringing innovations in the field of diesel, natural gas, and LPG engines. Keeping humanity and environment first in mind, we have developed engines that meet the ever stricter emission regulations in North America and Europe. The R&D centers are putting in the utmost effort to deliver engines optimized for customers' equipment and to provide services tailored to customers' demands and perspectives. We produce diesel generator engines that boast a wide range of output for both normal and emergency operations. Industrial diesel engines that meet Tier 4 final emission standards, and diesel vehicle engines that meet Euro 6 emission standards. We also produce diesel engines for agricultural machinery and marine vessels, as well as natural gas engines for power generators and vehicles. Doosan Infracore's Stage 5 engine is equipped with an environmentally friendly combustion system and a compact after-treatment system, which results in easier maintenance and reduced cost of ownership. The engine manufacturing plant, located in Incheon, Northeast Asia's logistics hub, spans an area of 100,000 square meters and is equipped with an annual production capacity of 160,000 engines, including 100,000 compact G2 engines and 60,000 mid to large-sized engines. The plant can also manufacture 50,000 tons of casting products, including engine cylinder blocks and heads each year. With the entire manufacturing process automated, the plant produces high-quality engines through total quality management. Doosan Infracore engine is going global, based on high fuel efficiency outstanding durability, environmental friendliness, and customized design. Our products are used in a variety of industrial sites for construction equipment, industrial vehicles, agricultural machinery, power generators, buses, trucks, and marine vessels. Through constant efforts to develop new products and secure new technologies, we will continue to strive toward becoming a reliable partner for the business success of our customers. Doosan Infracore Engine. Technology that creates a better life for tomorrow.